Hello and welcome to my development blog for April 21st, 2023. This is my current version and I'll show you what I've changed from before. So before I had the enemy just dashing at the player, but it was really glitchy and didn't work that well, especially with the uh, flying boss. It would constantly flip its um, X position all the time, and that was really weird to look at because it was like constantly flipping and everything. Um, Also, the dash only worked once, and it was like really buggy. And we changed some of the code, and that fixed it. So now I'll show you what it looks like compared to before. So what it looks like now. Boom. And then you can see how it like stares at the character every 0.25 seconds. Makes it a lot smoother than every like zero point 0.1 millisecond, which was really glitchy. So I'll show you what I changed in the code. Here is my dashing script. So basically, we just this is the same as before, and if we can dash, we will dash basically. And the issue we had from before was that the can dash we had from before was not being I did not state it as can true basically. So now that we have can true, it works. And right here, this is just all the how calculating how to where to dash at basically, and the speed and timing of the dash. Um, this is my idle statement. So it's very similar to the previous one, except this time it dashes above the enemy. So it'll just dash above the enemy basically. You can see right here, target position, the player transform, which is the main character, plus 10, which is basically just so that's why it goes like above the. That's why it like goes up here instead of like dashing at the player, because we set the Y value higher. And then for the flipping, um, basically we just had it on a timer instead of constantly updating it, which helped a lot. So as you can see right here, we have our script for looking at the player now. So here we have a private float timer. I mean, for facing timer, basically, it's to track when to look at the player. And here we just update the timer every time. And then this is basically if the facing timer is greater than or equal to 0.25 which is the timer. It'll reset the timer first, and then it'll use the face player. And face player, it's just basically looking at the main character's position to the enemy's position, um, and then calculating if it should be flipped horizontally or not. And if the angle is, it will. If it isn't, it won't flip. So once I had that done, all the coding, I got it done right here. Also, I had to change some of the animator scripts. Let me show you that. So before I had them all going, I could patrol could have gone to idle, and then dash could have also gone back to patrol. But I changed it all so that it's just like a circle pattern now. And then for the explode, I'm probably gonna change it too soon. Hopefully I'll get that implemented when I get the health bar for the enemy boss implemented too. And the health bar should be a lot easier than all this movement, since it's just a bar basically. Um, so basically, once it hits a certain health, it'll die and explode, basically. And we have all the animations for that done already. Right there. It's explosion animation. Probably should go here. Yeah, you can see the explosion animation. That's basically what's gonna be playing whenever he dies. And then dashing. I also changed some of this for the dashing script because it looks a lot better. If you look at it, it quickly changes to the dashing animation. That's because I have it set to really fast right here. And idle and patrol are still the same as before. Patrol will follow the player around. And keep dashing, basically. Other than that, that's what I've done for the week, and hopefully next week I'll get the health bar of the enemy done. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.